Hello all, in this video we will see how to get STM32 board support to Arduino IDE. Okay, so if you are a beginner, you can just follow these steps and add the STM32 support. For it, first go to File, Preferences, and in the Additional Boards Manager URLs, click here and here, click for a list of unofficial board support URLs. You can click on this link and it opens up a GitHub page where it shows all the third-party board support URLs. Control F, you can search for STM32. Okay, so there are several STM32 boards. So we will use this STM32 core, which is the official one, and copy this link, go back to Arduino IDE, enter, okay, and click OK, and you go to board variants and search for STM32. You can see you have now you see the STM32 um, install options in the board manager. So you can go ahead, install whatever you whichever you prefer, whether you want to use Nucleo or the STM32F series, and go ahead using it, which might be STM8 or STM32 boards, whatever you want. Thank you.